Traversing every corner, converging at the heart of the city, the Independence Square, 3 p.m. sharp on Friday, April the 7th, 2023. The Good Friday Miracle Service with one of the greatest evangelists of our time, Evangelist Dag Heward Mills, is here with us again.
Receive good news from afar. Receive light in your darkness. Receive light and encouragement in every dark place of your life. In the name of Jesus.
Experience healing and miracles break forth, and the power of the crucified Christ manifest right before your very eyes. It's going to be a day to remember. The biggest event the city has ever seen, happening on Good Friday, April 7th at the Independence Square, 3 p.m. sharp with Evangelist Dag Heward Mills. This year, let's make the Good Friday Miracle Service truly an experience to remember. I'll see you there.